guys, it's Lana here. Welcome back to Lana's Summertime. Today I want to show you my favorite curly hairstyles for spring 2021. You know that this is the place to go if you want some hairstyle inspiration. It's springtime now and I'm feeling like I want some new hairstyles and I want to share them with you. A lot of these hairstyles are really Y2K 2000s-ish inspired because that's just the trend right now and I'm loving it. Also, quickly before I start, thank you so much for the love on my last video. I wasn't expecting it because I took such a long break, but you guys are the best and I love you, so thank you. Oh, and by the way, my hair right now is a braid out. So if you're thinking like, why is her hair not getting tangled? Or like, why is it so easy to separate? It's because it's a braid out. And if you want a tutorial on the braid out, then just click right up there. These are my favorite hairstyles of the moment. I really hope that you enjoy them. And I'm gonna jump straight in. Let's go.
The zigzag hairstyle is a staple of noughties Y2K 2000s hairstyles. All you need to recreate it is a pintail comb and a little bit of precision and a bit of patience, the 3 Ps. And then once I'm done with the zigzag, I like to just clip my front pieces of hair out of the way. Then I just tidy up my edges and my baby hairs, make everything look neat and tidy, and that's it. For the zigzag bun, we're going to keep that same zigzag parting, but I'm going to bring all of my hair to the back in a bun and then wrap it around and secure it with a bobby pin. I also brought down some curlies around my face just because I like that, and I really like this bun because I feel like the zigzag parting really helps to create some volume in the top of my head, which I really like, so let me know if you like it as well in the comment section. I'm calling this look the bubble bangs because we're only going to work on the front section of the hair, and it's based on a bubble braid, which actually isn't even a real braid, but don't worry about that. So I'm going to take the front section of my hair and then split that into 2, and I'm going to tie that with a tiny little hair elastic. So I'm using clear ones, but you could use white ones or colourful ones or black ones or silk ones, anything you like. Then I also just tidy up the second section and I combine both the sections. So you could leave it like that if you want to, but I'm calling it a braid and I really like the look of braided bangs. So I'm going to keep tying this all the way down to the ends so that it kind of gives the illusion that you've just braided the front pieces of your hair. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. I'm also going to tidy up my edges and bring down some baby hairs, and that's the look. Let me know what you think. So this next look is a really quick variation of that bubble bangs hairstyle. So I'm going to take those 2 front bubble bangs and I'm just going to bring them to the back and tie them together. And it gives this really cute fairy type hairstyle. I love this kind of hairstyle. I used to do this a lot with braids when I was a kid and it's very noughties. I really like it. For the next one, I'm going to bubble braid all the way down as if it were a cornrow or a Dutch braid. I really like this look and it's really easy. It's easier than braiding if you don't know how to braid or Dutch braid or cornrow. All you do is section your hair off and you follow the same step all the way down. So you just combine the hair with the next section and then combine that with the next section and so on, and you'll end up with this really simple bubble braid. So don't mind mine looking all scruffy and loose. I just didn't want to mess my hair up too much because I still had a bunch more hairstyles that I wanted to film after this one. So if I was doing this properly, I would make this look a lot neater and a lot tighter. But either way, I ended up quite liking this final result. So let me know if you liked it as well. For this next one, I am going to take a hair ribbon or a hair scarf. If you're using a hair scarf like me, then just fold it up so that it is flat. And then I actually put that underneath my hair. So I kind of put that at the nape of my neck and I bring it round to the front so that I can tie it so that it doesn't get tangled up and stuff like that. I just find it easier to tie it when it's at the top. And then I just shimmy it around to the back so that it looks like this. And then I play with my hair a little bit just to get it how I want it. I just fix up my edges and that is it. I feel like it looks so nice. If I could wear a matching satin top with this, it would be perfect. This next one is so simple and easy, but it's so nice. So all you're going to do is take the front sections of your hair and just bring them around to the back, pinch them, and then grab a claw clip and place it on top. And that's it. It's so easy, but it looks so 2000s. It's such a vibe. I really like it. Let me know what you think. So I'm calling this a ribbon braid bun. I know it's not very inventive, but I don't know what else to call it. So basically I'm tying my hair at the back and then I'm going to incorporate this ribbon into the braid like this. So it looks really nice just as a braid, but you can also wrap that up into a bun like what I'm doing. And I just think it looks really nice. I secure the bun with a bobby pin like always, and that little pop of colour from the hair scarf just looks really nice. You can match it to your outfit or anything. It's just like a little bit unexpected, a bit unusual, and it just looks like you actually did something with your hair that day. So I'm also going to bring down some curls at the front, and that's the look. It's a bit experimental and I didn't have that much time to kind of perfect it, but let me know what you think. Quick outfit change for this one. I can't even remember why, but this is going to be the tried and true bandana headscarf hairstyle. First of all, I'm just going to separate my fringe and then I'm going to tie away the rest of my hair so that it doesn't get tangled when I tie up the bandana. Then I folded the headscarf over into a triangle. I just lay it over the top and then tie that at the nape of my neck. Bring all of my hair back down and tidy it up, get it looking how I want it. I feel like this is going to be as popular in 2021 as it was in 2020. It pretty much sums up the 2000s vibe all by itself and it just looks so nice. It's also protective on your hair, so there's absolutely no reason why you shouldn't rock this hairstyle. I personally really like it, which is why I included it in this video.
Okay, and there you have it. That is some of my favorite hairstyles that I've been seeing for spring 2021. I know it's not as many hairstyles as I usually do, but honestly, it's been hard to think of hairstyles for this season. I don't know why. But if you like this type of video, then definitely thumbs up and comment down below and I will be back with more ideas, more hairstyles. Don't you worry about it. But I gotta stop. I've been doing this for like a good 5 or 6 hours or something. I think that's why my brain is just like, what else can I do? This is how I decide my hairstyles, you guys. You might think that I would have like a more sophisticated way of planning out my videos, but I really don't. It's like stick figures with hair on top. I'm gonna head off and I'm gonna go and get some pizza, probably. Thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notifications, get me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.